So here's one for you. I couldn't find anywhere how to get this gas cap out of this right here. So just so you guys understand, it was easy. It's a pop-in. If you look over here, we'll back out and you'll see that there are little push tabs here and here on both sides. You go under the truck, you push them out. First, you need to get this little faceplate off. So same thing, you got to get in here and push these out, pop it out. And if you're unlike me, you will pop out the right side. I did this side first and I broke a tabby. It's super flexible, it's just decorative. So this is what it looks like. Here you can see I have two release tabs, one there and one there. So of course, after you take the faceplate out, take the gas cap off, you push those, push it, and it'll be pretty rigid, pretty tough. And then you'll have to get up top and pull the tops out. So let's see what that looks like. So after you pull the bottoms out, you come in here and you'll have to reach in under here. So you take the cap cover off the cap, and then you're gonna wiggle your way out, get your fingers in here, and then eventually these will give out as well. And then you have to twist it out because the gas cap wraps around pretty far. The hinge, I should say. So you can see I was just stuck on the gas cap. Just wiggle your way out until you get there. And whoop. All right, so this is the hinge you're looking for. There's the two clips. All right, and then as you can tell, I want to wrap it, the stripe, but this would be in the way. All right, to get this back in, we just as easily keep the door closed, get that hinge in, open it partially, see to make sure you got the spout. The spout's clear. Okay, now the spout's clear, you're gonna push it, and that is it. It is a done deal. Once that's in, you'll see the door closes perfectly. I have to put my gas cap back on. All right, and that was just a friction fit. You don't need me to show you that. That's silly easy. And then this one, you'll see the two clips. So we're gonna put this side in first. Two little clippies there. And then it's gonna get past the glass spout. Did I say it's gonna go past the gas spout? Two clips, push it in. Okay, that's a done deal. There we go. Okay, high quality, quick manufacturing, gas cap. I'm gonna do that. We'll put it back in. I'll get the tensioner on there later. Boom, door closes, golden.